Whatever left has done, okay, similarly what you find that right will be a similar, only the thing is it will start counting from the right. So what happens is if you specify right, it will start counting from here. Okay, so it will start counting, and you have to specify how many, sorry, right means you have to specify how many characters you want in the right. So returns the last character by default, so it will return this last character, or characters in a text string based on the number of characters you specify. So again the format is same, text and number of characters. Okay, so let us see if I use only the right function directly. Sorry, so if I use only the right function here, so it is giving me only a, so it means that it is starting from here. If you don't specify number of characters, it will give you the rightmost value it will give. Right, now suppose here we want India. Okay, so what we are saying is I want India. So how I can do? Okay, so remember we have spoken to use the len function. So len will give me the length of this and we can utilize. Okay, or anyway if you know, you can count now. So let's say suppose simple thing I am saying count India is 5. Okay, so it will give me 5. So I say to it that give me the last 5 character. Okay, right, the same thing can be performed by computing the len of India also. Right, so you will get the same thing 5. Now here what they are saying is I want dia. So what you can say is, okay, I would use the same thing here. I am computing the length of this, which is len c5, and giving me the value. Okay, if you want index, okay, so same thing you can do. Okay, now suppose if I say right, okay, and I want United Nation entire thing. Okay, so same thing like we say in case of the left. Okay, if you specify the number of characters as huge number, okay, it will give you the entire thing. So if you want the entire string, you can use right and you can increase the number of characters to 200, it will give you the entire value.